Are you looking for the best microwave? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best microwave on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Toshiba EM131A5C. The mid-size, 1.2 cubic foot, 1100 watt Toshiba EM131A5C has a nicer design and a broader range of functions, including convenient instant start settings, than most other microwaves at its price. It performed solidly in our tests, but it didn't heat as quickly, precisely, or evenly as our top pick, and it's slightly less powerful. This model has a sturdy door handle, which some people prefer over a push button. The EM131A5C is available in 2 finishes, as well as other sizes. It has a 1-year warranty. Specs. Dimensions: 12.8 by 20.5 by 17.1 inches. HWD. Power: 1,100 watts. Capacity: 1.2 cubic feet. Warranty: 1 year. Number 2. GE GCST07N1. The 700-watt GE GCST07N1 is a bit shorter, shallower, and narrower than any other compact microwave we tested. It's sturdier too, though the cavity, 0.7 cubic foot, is wide enough for only a medium-sized dinner plate. This microwave didn't cook as evenly or precisely as our top pick, but it was faster than similarly sized models with higher wattage, and it has convenient instant start express settings. It is available in 3 finishes, the most of our picks, and a version that you can mount under a cabinet. It comes with a 1-year warranty. Specs. Dimensions: 10.2 by 17.3 by 12.75 inches. HWD. Power: 700 watts. Capacity: 0.7 cubic foot. Warranty: 1 year. Number 3. Panasonic Home Chef 4-in-1. The Panasonic Home Chef 4-in-1 Multi-Oven NN CD87KS combines microwaving, fan-assisted convection baking, broiling, and air frying in one sleek, 1.2 cubic foot stainless steel machine. It's a nice option for a tiny kitchen or as a temporary replacement for an oven. With 1,000 watts of power, it microwaved as well as our top pick in our tests. Like other combination microwaves, though, it can't brown or crisp foods as effectively or quickly as a traditional oven or air fryer toaster oven. But its hidden baking element, in contrast to most other combination microwaves, which have an exposed element, seems to improve cooking results, and it's much easier to clean. The Home Chef 4-in-1 multi-oven comes with a helpful manual and access to a recipe app, both of which can help you navigate the admittedly complicated machine. It has a 3-year warranty, and the magnetron is covered for 1 year, parts only. Specs. Dimensions: 13.5 by 22.1 by 17.7 inches. HWD. Power: 1,000 watts. Capacity: 1.2 cubic feet. Warranty: 3 years, 1 year for the magnetron, parts only. Number 4. Toshiba EM131A5C. We've recommended the mid-size Toshiba EM131A5C for years as a solid but basic microwave amid a sea of similar models. If our top pick is unavailable or out of stock, the EM131A5C will do just fine, but its overall performance is not nearly as strong as that of our top pick. It's a good-size machine with ample power. Roughly the same size as our top pick, the EM131A5C offers 1.2 cubic feet of space and a carousel that is slightly more than 12 inches in diameter. Its power, at 1,100 watts, is more than enough. But it's a little deeper than our top pick, which might be a consideration if you plan to install your microwave on a narrow shelf or counter. Number 5. GE GCST07N1. We've recommended a version of this GE appliance's 0.7 cubic foot, 700 watt, ultra-compact microwave since 2016, both for its affordability and its small size. Our current choice is the GE GCST07N1. Here's why we're fans. It's a bit shorter, shallower, and narrower than most compact microwaves. This microwave is about 2 inches shorter, 3 inches narrower, and 3 inches shallower than our top pick. If you have space constraints, every bit helps. It is even a tad smaller than the tiny Gallons Retro, a popular cheap compact model that we tested and dismissed. But it's narrow inside. The 0.7 cubic foot capacity and 10.4-inch carousel still accommodate a medium-sized mixing bowl or dinner plate, but any vessel or food that is even slightly wider than the turntable, a New York-style pizza slice, a medium-sized bag of microwave popcorn, will get stuck on the walls and begin to smoke.